Hi, in this video we are going to see the school teacher recruitment notifications from the 7 different schools guys, and the candidates who are looking for such type of opportunities, it will be the wonderful chance. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And daily, from today onwards, daily at 9 p.m. you will get the school teacher recruitments in this YouTube channel. Okay, so please utilize this opportunity. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the school different recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, the first school we are going to see is JSS Mahavidyapita Mysore. So it is the international school residential, and here the recruitment is there for the subjects English, Hindi, maths, physics, chemistry, social science, physical education, male or female, and a nursery. And all the interested candidates may send your biodata to the mail ID, that is principal@JSS International School ot.org. And the teachers from 1 to 10 core subjects, bachelor's or master's degree in the respective subjects with B.Ed. For nursery degree with Montessori training, candidates should have the bright academic record and 1 year of experience in CBSE or ICSE or repeated English medium state board schools. Pay and perks will not be constrained for the right candidates. Eligible candidates may send their detailed curriculum vitae to the respective schools they are applying for in an envelope clearly mentioning the name of the post and the school within 7 days from the date of this advertisement. The soft copy also sent to the respective email IDs of the schools. Fine. So it is a one notification. And coming to the next one is, it is just simply mentioned here, the Indian school. Okay, this one from New Delhi requires PGT English qualification postgraduate with B.Ed, PGT Fine Arts qualification postgraduate in Fine Arts or Painting, no need of the B.Ed here. Special educator required qualification degree or diploma in the special education. Fine. And apply to the Indian school, the Indian school.tis@gmail.com. Fine. The mail ID is the indianschool.tis@gmail.com. And coming to the next third one is Tagore International School from New Delhi. Here the contact number is also provided. Trained or experienced lady teachers fluency in English, PGT in English, PGT in computer science, and Indian vocal music and fine arts. You have to apply immediately with photo. Fine. So here for application the mail ID is not mentioned, but you once visit the official website of the Tagore International School, or else if you're having any query, here the contact number is also provided, so please once contact them guys. And the next one is ITBP Public School, Dwarka. The mail ID is principal.itbpschool@gmail.com. Applications are invited from the trained and experienced candidates on a contract basis for the following post: PGT Political Science 1, TGT Special Educator 1, PA2 Principal 1, and LDC Accounts 1 and Electrician 1. Apply within 15 days, and for more details you may visit the official website of this school, that is itbppsdwarka.com. Fine. So only the shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. And while coming to the next one is, it is Brain International School from New Delhi invites the application form from the trained the experienced teachers, PGT in computer science or physical education, TGT in English, Hindi and science. So qualified candidates with excellent communication skills have to apply within 7 days with the resume along with the recent passport size photograph by post or else through email careersinbrain@gmail.com. Okay. And coming to the next one is staff required in Narayana Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir, Punjab. So PGT Physics, Economics, Commerce, Mathematics, Physical Education, and TGT English, Science, Social Science, Mathematics, and salary is negotiable. So all the interested candidates may send your resume immediately to this provided mail ID, and here the contact numbers are also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact to this numbers guys. Fine. And while coming to the next one is, it is White Clouds schools from Tirupur and Palladam. So teachers wanted, it's a reputed CBSE school in Tirupur, requires the qualified candidates for the following positions: Maths, English, Hindi, KG teachers and admin executives in the office. Interested candidates may send your resume to the White Clouds Jobs @ gmail.com, and you have to send within 7 days from the date of the advertisement. Fine. So total these are the 7 different schools where the different recruitment notifications are announced. Fine. So all the interested candidates may apply for this one, guys. Anyhow, there is no application fee. Simply by sending the resume to the provided mail ID and the necessary documents to the provided mail ID, your application format will be finished. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the school teacher vacancy positions. That is PGT or the TGT. It will be very much helpful to them. And daily at 9 p.m. you will get the video regarding the school recruitments. Fine. So all the interested candidates may subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon to get the regular updates regarding these notifications. And the candidates who are preparing the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs, and the live test and quizzes, just as like the Plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months, 13,750, and for 24 months, 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.